Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete Facebook watch history permanently. So let's start. First, open the Facebook app. Tap on the three bars on top right corner. Scroll down, tap Settings and Privacy and go to Settings. Now scroll down and you will find Activity Log. Tap on that. Here you will see all the activities you have done on Facebook. Now tap on Filters on top left corner and tap Categories. Now tap on Logged Actions and Other Activities and select videos you have watched. Here you will see all the videos you have watched on Facebook. To delete these videos, tap on the three dots of the video and tap Delete. There is no easy way to delete all the videos together. So if you want to clear this whole history, you have to delete one by one. And it's a very long process. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.